Hello, Miss Thủy Hằng. My name is Hyan. I study in Basic Communication 36. Today I would like to show you four sounds. The first thin, thin, thick, thin, thermometer. I would like to take some sentences. I think health is the most important thing in our lives. He tall and thin. Her eyebrows are thick and bushy. This time the discussion theme is environmental pollution. Thermometer is a tool that measures temperature. Secondly, this, that, these, them, smoothie. I would like to take some sentences. This boy is a baker. Mine is the tallest little girl in my class. These flowers are so beautiful. I have four best friends and I love them so much. I like drinking strawberry smoothie. Thirdly, take, time, tea, tip, 10. I would like to take some sentences. I like this book. Can I take it? It is the first time I have met them. Sarah is a new teacher. She will teach children to swim. Green tea is good for health. The taxi driver was so rude to her that she didn't tip him. They have worked together for 10 years. Finally, do, did, daily, dear, deep. I would like to take some sentences. I like listening to music when I'm doing the cooking. Did you ever love someone? She eats bread daily. The company deals in office supplies. This river is so deep. She dipped her toe into the pool. Thank you for listening.